Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Verge coin. As in my previous videos, we have seen that the Verge coin has surged more than 550%, and at this time on the long-term weekly chart, it is struggling at the resistance of 100 simple moving average on this weekly chart. But before starting the video and moving to the live charts and start the analysis, I would like to draw your attentions towards this really very big event, and only 4 days and 4 hours approximately are left in halving of Verge coin. So this is really a very big event expected on 12th of June. This is the expected date, and this event can give a really very big jump to the Verge coin. So the game is not over even after this 550% big move. And for the people who missed my previous videos, I would like to give some recap that this was my previous video that I posted a year ago on YouTube, that the Verge coin has formed a shark pattern, and this was another follow-up video that I posted on the YouTube almost 10 months ago, and this was a chart that I posted on the Tradingview as well, XVG with US dollar. I'm just taking you to that chart. And I posted this chart on 14th of July 2019. At that time, the price action was completing the final leg of this bullish shark pattern, and I predicted that as per Fibonacci sequence of the bullish shark pattern, the price action should enter in this potential reversal zone and complete this shark pattern, and after that the price action should take the bullish divergence and enter at least between 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci projection of C2D leg. I'm just playing this chart. Now, on this chart, my stop loss was triggered because you can see that the price action moved a little bit down from this potential reversal zone and moved up again this potential reversal zone, but after that it was again moving down because in those days we had extreme Bitcoin dominance pressure when the price action broke down this potential reversal zone, and when it was moved back in the potential reversal zone again, then we had another market crash when the global markets were moving down from Feb to March 2020, and with all other markets the price action of XVG also moved down, and during this all the price action also formed another bullish shark pattern that I just posted in my previous video as well, and this was that shark pattern. Let me just show you. And after the completion of this next bullish shark pattern that was formed within the potential reversal zone of the previous shark pattern, the price action took another powerful bullish divergence and produced more than 500% bullish rally. In fact, that was a more than 550% bullish rally. Now if we watch on this daily chart, on this weekly chart, the long-term weekly chart, at this time the price action is struggling at the resistance of 100 simple moving average, and before that the price action also formed a falling wedge pattern and took a powerful bullish divergence after hitting it at the support of this wedge pattern and broke out the 25-50, and now it is trying to break out the 100 simple moving average. Once the price action will be able to cross up this 100 simple moving average, then believe me, it will have a really very strong support, and after that the 100 simple moving average can lift the price action up, and it can start more powerful bullish rally than the previous one. And at this time we can also see that the 25 simple moving average is also forming the bull cross with the 50 simple moving average as well. However, if the price action will be rejected from here, then again believe me, then the price action can retest the previous 50 and 25 simple moving averages as support. So in that case we can expect a drop up to almost half a cent, almost $0.005. Now if we watch on the daily chart, this is the 2-day chart, then the price action has crossed up all the simple moving averages with the 25, 100, 250 time period, and at this time you can see on the 2-day chart, this is not the daily chart, this is the 2-day chart, the 50 simple moving average is going to form the golden cross with the 200 simple moving average, and the 50 and the 200 simple moving average golden cross is considered as a really very powerful bullish buying signal among the traders community. And definitely after this golden cross, most of the traders can enter in the XVG and they can lead the price action more up. At this time, we are having very good support of the 25 simple moving average with the price action, and soon I'm expecting that the 25 simple moving average will be moved more up to provide a firm support to the price action. Otherwise, the price action needs to move back to the moving average to use this moving average as a support, and it will retest this 25 simple moving average as a support. And if we watch the different support and resistance levels on the 2-day chart, not on the daily chart, the 2-day chart, then we have the previous support at almost half a cent, that is 0.006. Then we have the previous support at $0.005, and our next resistance level that the price action is trying to break out. And in it trying to breaking out this resistance level, even the price action has spiked up to this 1 cent, but had a powerful rejection and moved down back up to the previous support of $0.006. And now at this time, the price action is moving between $0.006 up to $0.0075. And I'm expecting that soon it will be able to break out this $0.0075. Then it will have the next resistance at $0.0085. Then we have the final, that is not the final resistance. When the price action will break out this resistance level, after that I will show you the next resistance levels as well. But at this time on this chart, this is our final resistance we have after this $0.0085 resistance level. Now if we move to the next chart, this is really very important chart, and this is the Ichimoku cloud on the weekly chart. And if we watch this lagging span, then this lagging span has crossed up the price action. This is the first bullish signal by the Ichimoku cloud. Whenever a lagging span crosses up the price action, so it is considered as a bullish or buying signal. And whenever the price action crosses up this conversion and the baseline, this blue one is the conversion line and this red one is the baseline, that is considered as another bullish and buying signal. And when the conversion line crosses up the baseline, this blue one crosses up this red one, then it is also considered another bullish signal. And when the price action crosses up this bearish cloud, so this is the final bullish signal, and after that the price action can start a really very big powerful bullish move. And we can also see that the cloud is also getting reversed from bearish to bullish. At this time it is almost reversed to the bullish from bearish. And if we watch the chop zone indicator, that is really very important indicator on the long term, then we can see that the price action was in bearish trend for the long time period, and after a long time period the price action first turned weak bearish, and then it turned more weak bearish. And here on the candlestick that was on 1st June, it was started turning bullish. This was a weak bullish signal, and then now finally it has turned strong bullish. And while the price action is trying to break out this cloud, at this time the price action has a really very strong resistance of this bearish cloud. And if the price action will be able to cross up this cloud, then like it has been working as a strong resistance for the long time for the price action, same as like that, it will start working as a strong support for the price line for the long time period, because this is the Ichimoku cloud on the long term weekly chart, not on the daily or hourly chart. So we can expect a powerful bullish rally when the for the long term, when the price action will cross up this level. Now at this time we should take a closer look at this resistance level, that is the 100 simple moving average. If the price action will be not able to cross up this level and also this level of the Ichimoku cloud, because at the same time it is trying to break out this cloud and the 100 simple moving average on the long term weekly chart, then the price action can move back up to this previous support of 50 and 25 simple moving averages. And if we watch the price level support levels, then we have the previous support at $0.006. Then we have another support at $0.005. So in order to move up, the price action needs to retest the previous support if it will be rejected by the 100 simple moving average on the weekly chart and by the bearish cloud, the Ichimoku cloud. So this was the update so far by the price action of XVG. I'm expecting that on the long term it is still bullish, but if it will be rejected by the price line, by the simple moving average, the 100 simple moving average, then we can have some downtrend by the price action for some time period. So if you like the video, then do hit the like, do subscribe to my channel. Take care. Goodbye.